Welcome back to it, Mapagania.
We back with
another one,
Bafethu.
Mapagania. Don't kai preview Tabi so to Tabi Mapagania. As you can see, Bafethu say FNP Stadium where we're going to slaughter Kaizer Chiefs tomorrow.
Soccer City, Baba. Soccer City.
Soccer City FNP Stadium is the same thing. It's the same thing. Obviously, even the weather Mapagania and I want to see. Yes, Vumela to play beautiful football tomorrow. Nabona nani Mapagania. Bese ngwariti mina. I don't know about you guys. Ngite le weather le phela mfethu kuzaga nje ntangilibeli yanele.
Yeah.
So at least it's clear now. It looks like even tomorrow is going to be clear. Mr. Mlambo, I'd like us to start game Mamelodi Sundowns versus Stellenbosch before we get into the derby, because the title race in Danga, there's no way that you can talk about Mamelodi Sundowns. And I said it in Danga. I remember I said it to Stelis. I mean, I foresee Stelis giving Mamelodi Sundowns issues.
Yeah.
Did you watch that game, and how did you see that game?
Yeah, first thing first, personally, I thought Sundowns won't lose points from Lama game since Sinasa draw 2-2 near Richards Bay. I told you guys, the temper is back now. I do not want to lie to you, because the Sundowns in future they are competitive when it comes to the league, and they are doing well with Kev. So I didn't think they're going to lose their points. But since they lost the point, I feel that and yes, I did watch the game. I think when they started the dominance in terms of Uknoki Paula, you see Owen William on the left back. You understand about trying to score and then kill the game. But Ndanga still is in fact coach Kevin Hunt. Kevin Hunt has been in the league for a long time now. We understand that like come moments a game nokuthi mele kenzakaleni. I think inokuthafa kumabasa second half it was good one for Stelis and Mabasa mfethu wait.
It's one of us.
It's one of us, and uyasibonisa ukuthi Mapagania mina ngiyanthanda, whether I'm with you or I'm not with you. But once a pirate, always a pirate in Danga. That's how I saw the game. Thank you, Stelis, Bafethu.
Thank you, Stelis. Coast, how did you see the game?
Yeah, I didn't watch the game. Just saw the final result. And I saw my boy there, Mawasa, to redeploy. I was fun him too. I was doing the job for us. Much as we're still paying part of that paycheck, he did the job for us. We are very happy in Fetu. We are not there yet. For me, I think we still need them to slip up again. And I think if they slip up again, then I'll say, we are taking it. And now I'm still like, will take it, but I feel Tembal Buile, but the Aksanale on Togutesh. These guys man are points machine, they can easily pick up a squad and whatnot, but equally so Ipagania and Alolsang and Fetsu. For me, if we can just stay solid, Noah has now adopted to what we can call a first 11. We already know now who we are gonna be expecting Google lineup. So that's no longer there's no longer a lot of surprises in his starting lineup, and you are seeing the consistency. So I think on our side we are good. We just need them to slip up, and then we can take this thing.
Now I watched that game, and it's very difficult for me to watch other teams, as I've always said. Chiefs and Sundowns, but because in fact we find ourselves in this situation, Mr. Mlambo. I watched that game very closely. I liked the tactical approach. I got Kevin Hunt. In essence, he frustrated Sundowns. That guy. He led them, even on his post-match interview. He said same thing with him. Sundowns, they can have all the ball that they want, but I know what they want, young Tola. That structure, my defensive structure is very solid. They are very disciplined, young Tola. They were just playing in front of Stelis, young Tola in danger. And I could see even the Amana Lesia organized. And I remember I told Ghost, I gave me Skukun, young Tola. In fact, I foresee Stellenbosch giving Sundowns riding problems, young Tola. Those guys are disciplined, young Tola. There's Titus as well, young Tola in danger. But I don't think it was this game, Sundowns. Now obviously,
Yo,
now
Ndanga
obviously,
was
nah,
about to go
he
there.
played,
Another
yeah,
one-
he played well, Langzol.
yeah.
Another is one of our own as well, Langzol. You could see which in fact he really needed these points
Yeah.
for Ida Pagani, Langzol.
Yeah.
Mama says, well, though he came in the second half, he didn't really do much, Langzol.
He scored.
Yeah.
He did a lot.
No, I'm saying in the game, Langzol,
Sure.
the general
Yeah,
game,
yeah,
he didn't do much. One game now, actually penalty, Langzol in danger.
Miss our goal.
Langzol in
Yeah,
danger.
yeah.
So kudos. And I hear people saying Sundowns points machine. Equally so, we are points machine as well. Langzol in danger.
but
You collect if it,
but
Langzol.
Ndanga, I'm not disputing that.
Yeah.
Like from the previous seasons.
Yeah.
And what they have done, Young Ton.
Yeah.
So we're taking it from there. Uguti still now when we play tomorrow, there are going to be 2 games on hand. So
Yeah.
if they win those 2 games, that's a share 2 points.
Yeah.
So sithatha from that context. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina nasikhathi draw. Me say ithemba like me seningasekho. Because
Yeah.
of like what they have done over the years.
Yeah.
It's marvelous. Ndanga. They win labantu laba 10 games ilandelana.
Yeah.
And we just left maybe with 6-7 games.
Yeah.
You understand? So I thought bazoba winner one. But if they can still slip up, it's good because nangada KEF bayadlala and KEF bayodlala final. It's demanding energy from them.
Yeah.
Which is phela stress intanga. Labantu laba ba in the league, ba in the Champions League.
Yeah.
Which is it demand stress.
Yeah.
Kumele ba choose one.
Sure.
And thina siba choose the Champions League. Mina nginandaba.
Yeah.
You understand? But i-league abayiphe thina, and I'm rooting for Chiefs there. Sizobaboleka nama player if bayafuna. I'm rooting for Chiefs.
Yeah, without dwelling too much on Mamelodi Sundowns, my point point machine,
Sure.
I was saying with equally so we are also point machines,
Yeah.
So when they win, we win, when they drop, we win, sometimes when we drop, they win,
Sure.
When you even look at the point tally that they got last season, if we were to win our remaining games, we'll reach that. I think it's 73 points last season. We'll
Sure.
reach that 73 points. Let's see if they can go over and above that 73 points. Because during last 2-3 seasons, Balalela Konada, young tola
Yeah,
70,
yeah,
young
yeah.
tola 73, young tola. So bring it on, Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sir.
She's not scared, young tola.
Sure.
So jumping on to the big one in Tangaksasa. Obviously, when we play this one in Tanga form, they normally say it goes out of the window, young tola
Sure.
in danger. So what makes this one like different from the previous one that you played against them?
Yeah. I think Tanga Soweto derby, it's always a big occasion for the whole world. Simamelile no coach wethu ube wayistempa leyo nto.
Yeah.
But this one is different kakhulu. Ntanga different kanjani. Labantu laba sibashaya 3-0 like they were not in the game.
Yeah.
So banaleyo pain leyo yokufuna ukubhadala.
Yeah.
As much as nathi sifuna ukuthatha 3 points iswin league, nabo banaleyo pressure leyo ukuthi Pirates ashiya 3-0 and we disappointed our fans. And for the past 7 games Ntanga, these guys they won 5 if I'm not mistaken, drew 1, lost 1. They are on form, they are fit, Ngithola. That's why even on the pod when we spoke, I said we're gonna win against them, but
Yeah.
it's not going to be an easy match like that one because Sebaslindile.
Sure. No, definitely, Ndanga, definitely. And talking about our coach post-match, pre-match conference,
Yeah.
I think it was a good one.
Sure.
He said, okay, we won 3-0, but we must remain on the ground, we must remain humble.
Yeah.
Obviously, Chiefs now, they're on a bit of form now as well. And I think he also mentioned Luti, they are the second best defense in the league at the
Yeah.
moment. So we shouldn't expect Uti is going to be the same as the last one. Coast.
Yeah, now for me, okay, I hear you guys what you're saying, or maybe it's not gonna be the same, or it's gonna be maybe a bit difficult. But now, I feel like it's gonna be difficult for Chiefs more than it's gonna be for us. Because now on their side, in fact, they need the bragging rights. Until they need to get back at that 3-0 lose.
Yeah.
So for them, if they come here and want to attack, then it works to our favor. Because we know we will catch them and we will score a lot of goals.
Yeah.
And if they sit back as well, they're gonna frustrate their own fans and they're gonna get backlash from their own fans. So I feel like it's a difficult game for them more than us. More than us, yeah. And also quality-wise, I know they don't match us.
Yeah.
So that they are nowhere near close. And I heard the coach as well saying his physio room is empty. Everyone is available for selection, so no one is on injured. So I think that's also a good one for us, and it just cements or so this is our 3 points tomorrow. And I think I predicted 5-0, ne?
Yeah.
I think I want to make it 7. A lot of goals tomorrow.
Coach is confident,
confident coach.
That's nice.
That's nice. And I'm happy that there are no reported injuries, young sir. Because our players that are injured, normally they go to those workshops. I saw they did one. Was it Alex?
Alex and
Mapunya where our players went there. And when you see Abo Shanduda, Abo Sitlenduli, young sir, so most of the times they shoot Vaisa Lama player, but it's good that our coach confirmed there are no reported injuries.
First time.
Yeah, I'm totally injured.
Everyone wants to play the day.
Yeah.
Everyone wants to play the day.
Yeah. So obviously, Mr. Mlambo, this game, because it's a massive game, it's not only played physically, psychologically as well. So who do you think has the advantage psychological between the two teams?
I think it's us, Ndanga, Orlando Pirates. Why am I saying that? We've matured as a team. Jongobu Kostashi, we're far better than them in terms of like how playing as win the game. Bonungabala, like players who are playing so well, like Maboy, Young Tall. They have leaders. Tina, almost each and every department we have leaders. A police, we can count him as a leader because like he can lead things with his Solamako. Tito Maswangani from the bench. We have Captain Sibisi, we have Abohoto, we have everyone psychologically and like confident. We there. When you look at them, I don't think they're going to do great from my view on this game. I do not want to lie. Why? This game is big. I think last time even Kokomelon didn't perform. Not that he's not a good player, but the occasion of this game,
you need experience to be in this, and you need more than 1 or 2 tabis. At least you must play 5 or 6 of them.
And the check, we have that. Tik balela ma players now.
Sure.
Like we have those people.
And Real as well,
And Real as well.
Real has been playing,
Real as well, you're right. Check on their side.
Sure. Not much.
Uvuma and Uvumu uyazivumela ukuthi score.
We also fagure 7.
Not me.
Yeah.
And then tactically, Mr. Mlambo, where do you think this game will be won and lost?
In the middle of the park. That's where the game is won. That's why I mean on my middle of the park ngaqala njengathi eqaleni. Cash should be there. Yes, Masindi mibalo kuba mqalisa because we're trying ukuthi swine, but I think now we need Cash, we need Mbatha, we need Real. Why am I saying that? We need balance. Joba Kchela, Mbatha and Makaula, they give you this balance. In terms of Uguti, you wouldn't see an 8 or a 6. They interchange those guys. And that makes the team Uguti Konugzal. If the engine of the team Danga is good, because Klapo wina konama second ball, because Klapo rotates koni bola, because Klapo kala koni ball, it's gonna be good for us. If we can find that second ball, Staleswa winner, the press is good in terms of slanganising ama pass lapa in the middle of the park, tolling Umbutuma lapa or Wana says,
Do you also think it's gonna be a won and lost in the middle of the park coast?
I think I don't even want to talk about lost. For our side, it will be. I think we can say we will win it on the middle of the park, because I think it's paramount always to have your center be core, be steady and then I'll take that point. But I just feel like it will be one of those games whereby Relay is just doing his thing, our police is doing his thing. Like it's just gonna be one of those. It's a normal thing.
And I like your spirit.
It's massive. It's massive.
I like your spirit. Now, Antona, I think I always emphasize those 3 guys, if they come on tune, really a police you can destroy any team.
Sure.
Any team, Between those 3 guys, they have everything. This pace. there is skill, there is technicality.
Yeah.
There is understanding your game, there is long range, there is even crossing. So if those three guys in fit become on tune, I think that's where we're going to. I think that quality will be too much for Chiefs.
Exactly.
It's going to be way too
And
much.
also, we must capitalize on the corners, because corner or set piece, let me say that. Because if you remember on last game also, we scored in a set piece.
Yeah.
And when we become good on a set piece, shukuthi sizoba ne-upper hand eBhayi.
Yeah.
Because open play now we're good. We can take you on the counter. But what I think they're going to do, they're going to try and sit back, not give us space, because they know Muremi, Apolis, they're creative and real. Bazozama laphaya ukugcwalisa. So even the set pieces, maswathola, we must make good use of them. Because ngiyakutshela bazosikurasha in terms of ukuthi bafuna ukuskapa. But I don't think bazosithola because thina sizovula ibase kakhulu kunabo. Ntanga, we are fit more than those guys. You must check the way we play, Ntanga. We play at the very high level. I don't think they're going to measure us.
Nah. Mapagania, before we carry on, Bafetu, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, Mapagania. Let's help the channel reach 5,000 subscribers before the season ends, Mapagania. And then Mr. Mlambo, talking about the first 15 minutes, we know that it's going to be like intense, I understand. Versus Derby, it's high game, how do you see both teams approaching the first 15 minutes?
I think Tangatina we won track back. Tina soqala njengoba sihlale siqala. Tina masiqala manje start.
Do you think they'll go defensive and let us have the ball?
Yes, I think they will.
Because now they are confident. Mina, I'm assuming Uti, they'll want to go pound to pound from the onset.
I think they'll be naive to do that. As much as Nabo they see Uti, they are confident, but I think they'll be naive. So what they'll try to do, they know Uti like we could more than them. They can't run away from that. So what they try to do, they'll try defender, a mover, but Spambe on the count. If things are going well, I think they'll think to grow with the game, not start like high in Jingad. Because I think there's something which goes to you who said, if Bazagit, Bazo Limala, because Tina si fit. If Bazagit, okay, sharp, Tina we're gonna win the ball. So they'll be thinking that no, we can't go pound to pound with these guys as much as we're winning. Let's just track back and see what they can do from that.
I think well in fit, and I see Coast also agrees with you. And I think I agree with you as well. They'll be naive in fit if they try to go pound to pound with us. And so they can easily become at the end of a battery. You understand?
That's what I'm seeing.
So they as much as they're on form a bit, they must be very careful because we have some dangerous individual qualities there. So, Coach, do you agree with Mr. Mlam?
Yeah, 100% in fun. I think that's how I see that game panning out. Because as I said already, it's going to be difficult for them to say they must accept, or the fans are going to find it difficult to say we must accept that we are just sitting back and watching Orlando Pirates attack us. So they will want to try something. That's where we want them. That's where they'll have mistakes. That's where we will punish them. Mbutuma Mfetu is back. Mbutuma is back on form. He needs a hat-trick, key opportunity. I'm not calling Mbutuma hat-trick.
I think let's give it to Mbutuma, Mr. Mlambo, considering Uti scored last game.
And then Mahopa has not played, I think, the last 2 games, ne?
I think the last time he wasn't even on the bench.
Last game,
Guys, I'm not disputing that, but what we're saying, also what you said,
experience,
this game needs experience. So if you have those guys, we can start strong and then say, courage, if Manasseh starts first half doesn't work, say, so both halves, Sizoba like in the upper hand more than them. Because my man, if you Fagumbutum game let's say Mbutuma, let's say Agakori, then Fagu Manasseh 7. Most of the times Agazenzi is at least must some niggas 45 minutes. If like 7, at least you know Mbutuma will something. It's one buffet. I get Meskuluma Ngoguti the game leli. Uzo winning experience. Check stats Manasseh over the Kaizer Chiefs game. Kaizer Chiefs games, no Manasseh. check who always scored for Orlando Pirates. It's Manasseh. So that formula is working. Coach, don't change it. Keep that formula. If it's not working, that's when you can go back to the new formula.
You know, I'd understand if Manasseh has been getting some minutes, but if you don't him out of nowhere and give him a start, as much as he has experience, but I think it will be very difficult.
The legs.
I think at least he must be there on the bench because of the experience. 60 minutes, if it doesn't work for Mbutuma, you can always introduce Manasseh.
And I think we did that last game, ne?
We did
that.
So I think uncommented mapagania lapha. Manasseh Mbutuma. Mina mfo Manasseh mapagania.
Udahamba noMbutuma.
Mfana kagogo.
2-1.
Coach, so the formation, how do we what do you think you're going to play with formation? Do you think maybe we should change for this one, play with 3 defenders and so check and go out, or we should go to our normal default formation?
For me, I think we don't even need to be too creative with the formation. We can stick to what we've been having. For me, what I would maybe want, if there would be one change I would make, I would start Tito for Muremi, then Muremi put him second half. That's the only change if I was to make in that first 11. That's the one I would make.
But also Tito doesn't have minutes. Tito doesn't have minutes.
Don't tempo those 3. Please, don't tempo those 3 guys.
But you know Tito.
Yeah, that's what I was saying about Manasseh.
I have
5 minutes. Ngiyamthanda.
No.
Angivumelana nawe. Tito Maswanganye ngiyamncanywa. Abamfake second half. Leyo ngiyayivumela. Asishintshe intanga asidlala nga3. 4-3-3.
Yeah.
There is nothing much to be done la. Kumele like isishintshe. Yes, it's a big occasion, but not you are big. And like the players and the coach, we must take this thing out. We say, hey, it's a big occasion. You're going to play against Chiefs. But we mustn't stress about that. What we must stress about is preparation. I think they've prepared already in terms of good games to approach. Where should we improve? The formation I think we can win on that.
Just to jump in there, please, if it's you don't want any changes. Those 3 guys must be there. Muremi, we can't afford to put him Remy. We can't, Coast. We simply can't. A police, really, we can't. For the remainder of the season, if coach wants to integrate Tito Fit, can put him as a false 9 there. Those guys are not performing at the top there. Give Tito and all like that. False 9.
I'm thinking, man, it's just Chiefs. You can get Tito and
that's what we want to see.
We're gonna need a little bit of flair.
Second half maybe.
Sure.
Mr. Mlambo, talking about individual battles in Tanga, where do you see individual battles between the 2 teams?
Okay, Marco ngimbala out because ngeke bamfake na and no Munyane ngimbala out noma ngenile uMuremi uzomgaya problem da as always. I'm trying to check intanga I'm seeing Mabuye kuphela abo Lilepo mina ntanga
Mabuye as well, sure
ntanga abo Lilepo mina Kaizer Chiefs ayina next ngaphandle. I do not want to lie for me. Yes, Vilakazi is good, but like akadlali like abamdlalisi la. Umtu is good, take nothing away, but this one is a big stage and Tina we have quality. Betlile ngizoyibona lapha yaboya kaMabuye. Amabuye ayinkunzi. That in the middle of the park ntanga Mabuye ayikhohle.
That Mabuye guy, in fact, as much as they are not a threat, Coast, but I feel like we must not nullify like anything that can.
He's a box
that can smell. If we know that guy normally is the guy that makes them play, young tall in Tunjan. Put pressure on Tola. Maybe if they can put in Masindi to say Masindi when you have because what's in the engine, young Tola. Masindi mtambe for cash, young Tola. Because I think I'm on the same boat as you now, because Cash Lena hasn't been firing, So cash for Masindi, if the approach is to say, okay, let's nullify Mabuye because we know Mabuye is the one who makes them play, young Tola in Tunjan. Without Mabuye, there is nothing. So
Yeah,
in
that's a
that
good
sense, Wanzola, in that sense.
I think mina ntanganyaniswa, but leya kaMasindi mina I'm taking it out. I do not wanna lie.
Yeah.
Cash and butter, there is balance there. So
Yeah.
if there is cash and butter there, ngeke ayenze next. Umabuye is a box to box player. Uyangithola? So a box to box player, the only way to defend, ukuthi the midfield is always occupied. There's always someone. Akekho umuntu akozoshana ama 1-2 laphayana kuthi nanga umabuye sekayavela uvela kubo sibisi. So if cash phela, if you must be aware, cash and butter mabedlala badlala so.
Yeah.
Badlala so baloku bayashintsha.
Sure.
Yes, Masindi has been good, take nothing away, but mina into engiloku ngi-emphasize experience for this game ntanga iyadingakala kakhulu futhi.
I know, I hear you, Mr. Mlambo.
Yeah, but I think the battle ya Lilepo Leon Antwana, I think it can like Lilepo is one of the players that can also like have a run of his game le defenders are on more flanking. But Leona, I know he's there, he has the ability and only that bit of form. But he's up against Sibilibili or Hoto, so I think I'm not worried. Because
Hoto must be careful of overlapping. Because that guy, Lilepo, that guy is dangerous.
He is.
Yeah. And he has a bit of lag in him as well.
Yeah, I wanted to say that as
well. So Lena, you don't want to give him a sniff. Let's keep him out of the box. Let's fire as possible.
Left thing, then I know.
Is there anything, Mr. Mlambo, that you want to add there or Ghost?
Yeah, what I want to add, Nguti Mapagania, please bring this one home. Because if you win this one, it's important for us. As much as Sundowns came in hand, so especially 4 points. That's huge and that's massive for us. Because Sundowns, they are stressing also about CAF.
Yeah.
So it's stress see more than us. Let's secure this victory, take the 3 points home, and then root for the Chiefs with the Sundowns.
Yeah.
So
Mr. Mlambo Ghost.
Yeah, we begin just that last point. But we should go back to Sundowns.
Hayi you are playing. Nama players ababoleka ngiyakutshela on that game I do not like them, but I'm supporting them. Because if they get even a draw,
sure.
Even let them drop points for us.
Yeah.
Nah, I think it's ngaba hopeful bafethu, but I mean ngibheke nje ukuthi asisishayeleni ispani the last remaining games. Let's just make sure ukuthi we collect maximum points. So we can't afford for Sundown to slip up maybe against Richards Bay and then we go and we draw against Durban City. So we can't afford that. So let's maximize on our side. It starts tomorrow. Let's give these guys 7-0. Yeah, that's me.
Mapagania, so tomorrow we'll be covering the game here at the FNB Stadium. We're also going to Protea Hotels at Midrand. If you are in and around Protea Hotels, Mapagania, please come through and join us. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful outing. Some of the legends will be there. The likes of Abo Lucky Lekhwati, Abo Steve Lukolia will be there. Tebo Muloi will be there. So free entry Mapagania. There's free parking as well. Obviously drinks will be sold at the venue. It's going to be a nice outing Mapagania. The team will be there to give our post-match analysis, even if you come early. Mapagania. So shout out to Protea Hotels for allowing us to host there, young Tol. So we are here, Mapagania. We also there. Uguti kanjani. So wanaksasa Mapagania. There you have it, Mapagania. Don't forget again to subscribe to the channel.
Like.
Bopa.